Welcome home in middle school reading intervention families and students. My name is Mrs. Steckley and I'm one of the reading interventionists at Holman Middle School. Mrs. Khoistonen also helps out and taking on some additional classes as well. This brief little tutorial is going to show you how to log into our classroom. So what I really quickly want to show you is how to gain access to our daily class, or looking at your schedule, you may only have us every other day. So please check at the Infinite Campus portal for your schedule to see at what time you need to log in. In order to gain access to our class, you're going to come up to your bookmarks tab on your Chromebook, and it's this one right here which says Holman K-12 Bookmarks. You're going to click on that link right there, and then you'll see a drop-down menu. You're going to click on Canvas Dashboard. Once you click on Canvas Dashboard, it's going to take you into Canvas. And you can see in here, mine looks a little bit different because I have a teacher view for you, but you're going to look for this tile right here that says Reading Intervention. And that is the class that you're going to want to click into. Once you are in Reading Intervention, you will then click on, and you can kind of just quickly see here's a little welcome landing page. And then you are going to click on Announcements. Once you are inside Announcements, you see this Log into our live class. You will click on that link right there, and here you see that it tells you click the links to gain access to your class schedule. So right down here you can see that 8th grade is they're the first encore of the day, and so Ella, Angel, and Gracie will click right here on this link, and then this will open up a Google Meets, and once the Google Meets window opens up, you may have to wait for me to actually open that class to join. So just hang tight. If you're there a few minutes early, I might be finishing one class and joining another one, but this will be the link and the way that you gain access to our class each and every day. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can get me through email at stoamy, STOAMY, at holman.k12.wi.us. So look forward to seeing you all soon, next week. Welcome back to school. And I'm looking forward to a great year.